is Scott here? Did
I have
something?
no idea.
Scott Aukerman?
He
Hot Saucerman? What?
Oh no.
Oh my God.
Oh my god. Wow.
That's scary.
Someone give-
What did you?
Who dares face me? Who dares? Do I have any opponents?
No.
Who
No.
dare to face
I don't think so.
the Lord of the Sith?
Oh yeah.
Any opponents?
I will!
Oh.
God, Patrick, I hate that you and I are here tonight, the only two people without any sabers on stage. If only someone brought sabers for Patrick and I!
Oh.
Quick!
Oh my gosh. I didn't know about this.
Come get your sabers!
This show has finally become what everyone always assumes it is. Oh my gosh. Wow.
Oh, Jesus Christ.
Can't wait to have to explain to everyone on YouTube what we just had to cut out for music reasons.
Oh, sorry.
Can't we just put a public domain, put like Rhapsody in Blue under it?
Yeah, we'll figure it out.
Camptown races?
I like.
There we go.
I think
I like the noise.
I think it looks fantastic.
It looks incredible. It
I
feels
wonder
great.
if someone at Hasbro might have had a hypersensitivity to that noise. If you could get rid of that noise, I think it'd be a solid yes.
Is there a lightsaber version of misophonia? That's what you're saying, that someone at Hasbro was like, that specifically.
Yeah, I think that's the only thing I can think of because it looks tremendous.
Yes.
What does it look like if the lights are out? Tremendous also?
Great question.
Great. Oh no.
This is good.
Camptown races, go and sing the song.
I had the time of my life.
That's fine.